This is a quick video to show how to upload a file to the Fifth Wall Media platform. You can just go over to the recorder page. This is a copy of projectrecorder.js, and this is the file that you run in the background while you're making your coding tutorial video. And I usually put it in the root folder of my project. You could change where you place this folder, and it'll just record from the file that the folder that it's in, or you can change this path to a different folder. You can change the interval between saves. This is in milliseconds, so 5,000 is going to be every 5 seconds. It'll take a snapshot of your code. And then you can do which files and folders to skip over. This is similar to git ignore file. So you're going to want to include things like your node modules folder and your public folder. Any files that aren't code or text are not going to display properly in the projects page, so you're not going to want to include any of those. So what you do is you just come over and click to copy that text. You can go into your file editor and create the new file, and then you can paste your code in there. And so you can run this file by doing node projectrecorder.js, and now this will be running in the background, and you can see that it's working now. So this will just keep taking screenshots as you're making your tutorial. And so when you're finished making your tutorial video, you can just come down here and end this process. On Windows, it's Control-C, and then you'll have your JSON file that was created. And so now we can go back to our Fifth Wall platform, and we'll need to register in order to upload a project. So we'll just make a fake account real quick. Sure. Okay, and register. And it brings us to the projects page, and now up here we have a link to upload. So we'll need a media URL, so this is where your project is hosted. I usually just host on YouTube. So you go over here, copy your link to your project, and go back and paste that here. And we'll just do fake. And then this is the time between when you started your project recorder file and when you started actually recording your tutorial video. So you can you'll just have to figure out what that difference is. We'll say 2 seconds on this one. And this is your interval, so this would be that you were saving your code every 5 seconds. And so for this video, I actually uploaded it at 2x speed, so I'll have to cut this interval in half. So this will be 2.5. And then we can go in here and we can take this project file JSON, and we'll submit that. And then here we go. And since this is one of my files, I could edit or delete it on that page. And so I'll just view it real quick, and that's what it looks like.